In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all in Canva. This is the quickest way to grab every editable element on a page so you can move, resize, or style them together without clicking one by one. Start by opening your project. Once your design loads, head to the specific page where you want to select everything. If your design has multiple pages, use the page thumbnails on the side to jump to the exact page you want. The Select All action only applies to the page you're currently on, not the entire project, so being on the right page matters. Now, make sure your canvas is active by clicking once anywhere on the page. This tells Canva you're working on the design itself. Then simply press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Command and A. Instantly, Canva will highlight all elements on that page that can be selected. You'll see bounding boxes appear, and the top toolbar may show how many elements are selected, which is a handy confirmation that the shortcut worked. Here's an important detail. Elements that are locked will not be selected. Locked items are deliberately protected so you don't accidentally move or change them. If you notice that a logo, background shape, or text box didn't get selected, it's likely locked. That's normal and by design. Locking is especially useful when you have brand assets or a background grid you don't want to nudge when working quickly. With everything selected, you can now make broad adjustments with confidence. This is great for shifting an entire layout a few pixels, uniformly changing font properties across multiple text boxes, or quickly applying alignment. It also helps when you want to copy the whole page's contents and paste them elsewhere. Just remember that Select All is very powerful. If you delete or drag while everything is selected, you'll affect all those elements at once. If something doesn't look right afterward, you can easily reverse it. If the selection doesn't seem to activate, click the canvas again and repeat the shortcut. Occasionally, the focus may be on a panel or a text field rather than the design area, and a quick click brings the focus back where it needs to be. That's really all there is to it. Open your project, go to the exact page you want, press Ctrl and A, and Canva will select all elements that aren't locked. It's a simple shortcut that saves time and keeps your workflow smooth, especially on multi-element pages. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!